It was a crash that rocked the cryptocurrency world, the collapse of the coins TerraUSD and Luna. But since then, the Singapore-based company with Korean roots, Terraform Labs, has launched Luna 2.0 despite continued legal action against Korean CEO Do-Kwon and his former business partner Daniel-Shin. People are furious Kwon's carrying on despite the huge losses around the world. I think we need to start with a quick summary of how we got to this point. So last month, the once bullish TerraUSD or UST and sister coin Luna lost almost all of their value, wiping out tens of billions of dollars of investors' money in a week. The knock-on effect caused hundreds of billions of dollars in losses across the crypto economy. The meltdown sent investors, many of them younger people, into a panic and even total despair based on social media messages. Life savings went down the drain. To briefly summarize, UST was supposed to maintain a $1 peg, and if it fell below $1, it could be swapped for Luna at a profit, in theory maintaining stability. When an algorithmic system backing this failed, both UST and Luna sank. There were a lot of people who lost out, but not everyone. Luna's price peaked at $116 in April from less than $1 barely a year earlier. As it and UST soared, some people made a lot of money. For instance, hedge fund Pantera-Capital reportedly transformed its investment of $1.7 million into around 100 times that amount when it sold most of its Luna holdings over the last year. Several other institutional investors got out in time, but in South Korea alone, financial authorities said last month they believed around 280,000 local investors were holding about 70 billion Luna coins, and waves of investors in this country have filed complaints, including on the basis that Terraform Labs allegedly engaged in fraudulent activity by promising an annual rate of return of 19.4%, according to Korean law firm LKB & Partners, which added that CEO Kwon and others did not properly notify investors of an error in the algorithm. Prosecutors here have been looking into whether to bring Ponzi fraud charges against Kwon. It may seem shocking then that Do-Kwon has made a comeback. Yes, the public reaction to the last month's developments has been furious, but it's also been opportunistic, with a reported rush to buy Luna in the hope that it would rebound. And since Luna 2.0 launched last weekend, it's already gone through wild price swings. There still seems to be this cult of personality surrounding Kwon, despite global media describing as everything from trash talking to evil genius. The 31-year-old Stanford University graduate has also built a persona as the Korean-Elon-Musk, as well as drawing comparisons to the mysterious Bitcoin founder Satoshi Nakamoto. And he even named his daughter Luna, according to an announcement in April. Of course, fingers continue to be pointed in Kwon's direction, but there's a lot of blame going around, targeting the regulatory environment, institutional investors, and cryptocurrency exchanges. After winning the presidential election on a platform that included crypto deregulation, it will be interesting to see where things go next here under President Yoon-Suk-yeol.